Hello,
Yes, hello, good evening.
good evening, sir.
Yeah, how are you, Mr. Ikhwan?
I'm good, sir. I'm good.
Okay,
And you, sir?
yeah, I'm good
And how
as
you?
well. Yes, I'm good as well, Mr. Ikhwan. Yes,
Okay.
yeah, nice to see you in the class, Mr. Ikhwan. Yes, actually, this evening we have some participants. Yeah,
Okay.
so, yes, so what time is it in West Sulawesi, Mr. Ikhwan? What time is it?
Yes. Uh, the time in my place is 90.
Okay,
PM.
19 p.m. Okay,
19. 9:19.
yes, okay. So I will say greeting to Mr. Nur Islam in India. Hello, how are you, Mr. Nur Islam?
Yes, I am good. First of all, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam.
wabarakatuh. After long days, I
Waalaikumsalam.
Salam.
am joining his gym class.
Yes, how are you?
Actually, I
Yeah,
was facing my mobile
okay,
problem. That's why I could not attend your spoken English class.
okay, understood. Yes, long time, Mr. Nur Islam. Yeah, we have been
Yes,
long
yes.
time. Yeah, we don't have a class with you. Yeah. Yes, so okay, so what time is it in India, Mr. Nur Islam? What time now?
6:50 p.m. 6:50.
6:50.
Just 10
Okay,
minutes to 7.
okay, 10 minutes to 7. Okay, have you prayed Maghribs? Have you prayed?
Yeah.
Okay,
Of course. I prayed Maghrib Salah.
okay. Yeah, so Mr. Ikhwan, and now you join with
Yeah.
Mr. Nur Islam in India.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Mr. Nur Islam.
Yeah.
Yes.
So do
How are
you
you
want,
from?
yeah.
Where are you from, Muhammad One?
I'm Indonesia, in West Sulawesi province.
Yes, that's been
Yes.
Helena English teacher, and you both of you same belong same country.
Yeah.
Are you from Jakarta?
No, from
No.
he from
In my
Indonesia as well,
in
but
my in,
yeah, in different region, Mr. Nur Islam in Indonesia.
Okay.
Yes, because Indonesia has the big areas. Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, welcome to the class, Mr. Nur Islam, and also Mr. Fadli. Welcome to the class, Mr. Fadli. Yeah.
Ya, halo Mr. Bukhari, how are you?
Yes. Yeah, I am good. I am good, Mr. Fadli. Okay, so okay, how are you, Mr. Fadli? How are you? Yeah.
Okay, as usual, I'm great right now.
Okay. Yes, now you join with Mr. Nur Islam in India. Okay, so
Wow, halo Mr. Islam.
yeah.
Yes, hello, Fatli. How been? How are you?
Ya, yeah, it was great. How about you, Mr. Nur Islam?
Yes, I'm good. I'm from India, and I am 26-year-old.
Which city do you live?
Yeah,
Which city do you live?
I live in Kolkata, city of Kolkata. Do you know about anything in about Kolkata?
Oh, I'm so sorry, I don't know. I don't know your city.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Next time
Where
you
do you
can
live?
visit.
Which country?
Yeah,
Which
go.
country
Yeah,
do you
next
live?
time.
Yeah.
Oh,
If you
Indonesia.
try to come, you can
Indonesia.
welcome Indonesia.
Yes. Okay, Mr.
Muhammad Iwan
Fadli.
and Fadli.
Yes,
Three,
Mr.
three person
Fadli.
from Indonesian.
Yeah, actually, sorry, Mr. Nur Islam. Mr. Fadli lives in Jakarta. Then Mr. Ikhwan lives far away from Jakarta. It's about an hour by aeroplanes from Jakarta. 2 hours probably. Yes, a long time. Actually, yes, will take long time like that for the journey by aeroplanes. Yeah, Mr. Sorry, Ikhwan lives in the middle of Indonesia. Okay,
Yes, it's right.
so this evening, Mr. Nur Islam, we will discuss about this. And this is about the drugs experts, and this is AstraZeneca, and this is in India, in New Delhi. Yeah. So actually, how far New Delhi from your city, Mr. Nur Islam? How far, probably, New Delhi?
Delhi to Kolkata, just 3 days by train.
Oh, 3 days by train. Oh, it's far.
Yes, yes,
It's far
yes,
away.
yeah,
Yes.
yes. Actually,
Okay.
Delhi is our country capital of our country. You know
Yes.
also.
Yes, the capital city of India. Yes, this is New
Maybe
Delhi.
Jakarta is capital of Indonesia.
Yes, correct. Jakarta is the capital of Indonesia. Okay.
Okay, sir, what the situation about COVID-19? That's recover or not, improvement or not in your country?
Yes, it has improvements. Yeah, it's recover and for the handling of COVID-19 now better than before actually. Yeah, for the
School,
COVID-19 in
college, and
Indonesia.
institute, all thing, everything is resumed or not? All
Uh,
started?
yes, not yet, but still having plan that the school will reopen in this year, in January this year. Yeah, but
Okay, okay.
yeah, actually the government's already announced for that. Okay, so yeah, actually this is in India, Mr. Nur Islam. So
Yes.
yeah, this is the AstraZeneca for the vaccine. In Indonesia, already come for the vaccines, yeah, from China, Sinovac, yeah, about 1.2 million dosage for the vaccines. So this is in India. Yeah, India will contract AstraZeneca, yeah, for the
Okay.
vaccines. Okay, so can you please read the first paragraph, Mr. Nur Islam? This is, yeah, experts at India's.
Yeah, tell
Yes,
me.
please read the first paragraph, Mr. Nur Islam. This is,
Paragraph. I can
yes,
understand what you're saying to me, sir.
yes, this is paragraph. Can
Where?
you
Where is
please
paragraph?
read?
I can see.
This is experts at India's drug regulator. Can you see my screen sharing on Zoom? Can you see it?
No,
Oh,
just wait.
you cannot see my screen sharings.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I can see.
Yes, this is. Can you see it?
This is.
Yes,
Yes, yes, yes,
expert.
yes, 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 expert.
Yeah.
Yes, I can read.
Okay. Okay, please read.
Expert at India's drugs regulator have recommended for emergency use two coronavirus vaccines, one developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford University, and the other backed by a state-run institute. The government said on Saturday.
Yes, this is in
Yes, sir.
India.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
thank you, Mr. Nur Islam. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So yeah, I think in India still waiting for the vaccinations. Yes, same
Yes.
with
Yes. Yes.
Indonesia.
Huge emulation campaign. Actually, sir, you know also what second most populous country in India. India
Yes.
is the second
Yeah.
population country.
Yeah, second biggest population country in the world is India.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
after
Yes.
China. Okay.
After China,
Yeah.
China country is first.
Okay. So yeah, so how many cases, Mr. Nur Islam, for the COVID-19 cases in India actually? How many cases? And how about
So
the
actually,
handling? Yes.
I don't know the exact quantity and exact number, but lots
Yes.
of people recover and it's removed and improvement situation. but still school, college, institute not resumed yet. And mosque and mandir and office that is also started and resume.
Okay, office, but still the college, it's they haven't resumed yet until now for
Yes,
the
yes,
college.
yes,
Okay,
yes, yes.
okay. So, okay, I will ask to Mr. Ikhwan. Mr. Ikhwan,
Yeah.
do you want to ask something to Mr. Nur Islam about India, actually, about the COVID-19 or about anything? You want to ask to Ikhwan?
Uh, Hello. I want to ask you, Mr. Nur,
Yes, yes, we can
is
ask.
is the vaccine had implemented in the people in India? How much people that have been uh, have got the vaccine until now, sir?
Actually, like sober people infected by COVID-19 and 60,000 above people recover. But actually, particularly vaccine not invented in India. Just try to invented a vaccine of COVID-19 and implement to some people just recover. I think it will be success.
Yeah. Actually, it's not full, Mr. Ikhwan. Just some,
Mm,
yeah, some people get the vaccines. Yeah, but
yeah.
already
If
done.
if it's success, yes, yes, it is processing to succeed and research about this vaccine.
Okay, but it has implemented, Mr. Nur Islam. It has
Yeah,
done
yeah,
like
yeah,
that. Okay, for the
yeah.
vaccination. Okay, in
Yes.
Indonesia, haven't. Indonesia hasn't done yet for the
Yeah, yeah,
vaccination.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, still waiting for the distributions. Okay, Mr. Nur
yeah.
Islam. Okay, so continue. Yeah, we continue for this for the next paragraph. So I will say
Yes.
greetings to Ayu Artila. Hello, Ayu Artila. Good evening. Yeah.
Hello,
Yes. How are you, Ayu Artila?
I'm fine, thank you. And how about you?
I'm good as well, Ayu Artila. Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, so yeah, this evening, Ayu Ardila, we will talking about this. Yeah, this is about the vaccine in India, and you also join with Mr. Nur Islam from India, yeah, for this
Yeah,
evening. Okay, Ayu
I
Ardila,
I think
yes,
I
okay,
will
please,
give my opinion.
yes,
Yeah, the vaccine is so limited. That's why the vaccine must be expert. Yeah, in any time. So
okay,
uh, the vaccine is not easy to make to create it.
okay. So
Yeah,
okay, that's the
vac-
points. Yes. So Ayu Ardila, can you please read this paragraph, Ayu Ardila? Yeah, this is a government minister. Can you please read this? Yes,
yeah.
this paragraph.
Should
Yeah,
I read it, Mister? Yeah.
yes, you can
A
read it.
government,
Yes,
yeah, a government minister said earlier the AstraZeneca Oxford vaccine had been given the green light on Friday, paving the way of the huge immunization campaign of the world's second most populous country.
yes. Yeah, this is in
Uh,
India. Okay, so India, actually the minister of the India actually said early the
yeah,
AstraZeneca. Yeah, this is AstraZeneca is the vaccines, yeah, from
mm,
Oxford University. Yeah, that's developed by scientists in Oxford University in London. Okay,
Yeah,
had
yeah.
been given the green light on Friday. Yeah, so that's the meaning is that India will contract, yeah, for the vaccine from England,
Ah,
yeah, AstraZeneca. Okay. Okay, so yeah, India is the second most populous country? Yeah, sorry,
Yeah.
Ayu. Yes. Okay, so the second population biggest country is India. Okay, so continue. Yeah, we continue for this. Mr. Fadli, can you please read the third paragraph, Mr. Fadli? So we'll know about these informations. Mr.
Okay,
Fadli.
okay.
Yes.
The government said that the final decision on the two vaccine will be made by the Central Drug Standard Control Organizations, or CDRCO chief, who has called a new conference on Sunday. The
Yes.
process for the final approval is expected formally given the urgent for a vaccine in the country with number of COVID-19 infection in the world after United States.
Yes. Okay. So do you understand, Mr. Fadli, what this paragraph? This is. Yeah.
Okay, maybe for the first sentence,
Yes.
that said about um, yeah, the final decision our India government about the fact they choose to a citizen.
Okay. Okay. So thank you, Mr. Fadli. And Mr. Ikhwan, do you want to ask something about this paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan? Do you want ask me something about this paragraph? Or Ayu, do you want to ask something about this paragraph, Ayu? Okay, Ayu first. Do you want to ask something? Okay.
I mean just read or
Okay, so I will ask to Mr. Ikhwan. Maybe Mr. Ikhwan want to ask something. Mr. Ikhwan, please open your
yeah.
speaker, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah. Okay.
I
Yeah.
Yeah,
stop.
hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
For the from the paragraph, I think the vaccine COVID-19 in India are on process, yeah, on process.
Yes. Yes.
So yeah, so they have they have they haven't implemented the vaccine for the many people, yeah, for the in India.
Yes.
It's
Okay.
have yeah
Okay.
haven't
Yeah.
haven't haven't yeah.
Yeah, India actually also has the highest number of COVID-19 infections. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
That was the good statement as well, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, so this is the government decision on the two vaccine will be made by Central Drugs, yeah, in India.
Standard.
Yeah, who has called a news conference on Sunday. Yeah, this is on Sunday.
Sunday.
Yeah.
Today, yeah.
Yes,
Today, sir.
today. Yes, today. Because this is the update news. Yes, on
Yeah.
today. Yes, so the process for the final approval is expect to be formality given the
Yeah,
urgency
from what
for
you can.
vaccine, yeah, in the country with the highest number. Okay. Yeah, this is the highest number COVID-19 infection in the world after United States. Okay. Because
Okay.
India also the biggest population, Mr. Ikhwan.
Second
Biggest population, yes.
biggest,
Yeah,
second biggest. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. So yeah, also has many cases as well in India because the biggest populations. Okay,
Yeah.
and okay, that was good. So Mugi, yeah, we join with Mugi. Hello, Mugi, how are you? Mugi, can you open your speaker, please, Mugi? Yeah, this is the new participants. Mugi. Hello, Mugi. Okay, so continue. Maybe okay, so I need Mr. Ikhwan to read this paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan. The other
Okay.
vaccines. Yes, please.
Okay. The other vaccine, known as Covaxin, has been developed locally by Bharat Biotech and the government-run Indian Council of Medical Research. Cheating source, Reuters report on Friday that the shot could be approved. Thought little is known about the result of its clinical trials.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ikhwan. Yes, the other vaccine known as Covaxin, yeah, has been developed locally by Bharat Biotech. Okay, and the government-run Indian Council of Medical Research. Okay, so yeah, this is the vaccine in India. Citing sources, Reuters reports. Yeah, Reuters. This is the central news. Yeah, the central news office. Yeah, in Tel Aviv, in Israel, Mr. Ikhwan. This is the
Yeah.
center news in Israel is Reuters. Yeah, if in Indonesia is Antara News.
Antara News, yeah.
Yes, and Reuters from
Okay.
Israel. Okay, so I will say greeting to Mr. Mugi actually. Mr. Mugi, oh, actually still has problem with the speaker. Okay. So continue. Yeah, this is council. Yes, government-run Indian Council of Medical Research. Yeah, so still hurry ups like that. Yeah, still hurry ups. What is the meaning hurry up in Indonesian, Mr. Ikhwan? Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Yes, hurry
People
up. Yeah,
hurry up as fast, yeah.
yeah, fast. Yes, excellent.
Fast.
Hurry up, fast. Yeah, I am hurry ups. Yeah, buru-buru or yes, taking faster. Okay. Sources. Reuters reported on Friday that the shot could be approved. Though little is known about the result of its clinical trials. Okay. Okay, so this is from the Reuters News. Yeah, report on Friday that the shot could be approved. Okay. Talk
Yeah.
little is known about the result of its clinical trials. Okay, because
Little, no.
yes, because the vaccine must passing the 3 clinical trials. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, so I think understood. Yeah. Okay, so I need sorry, Mr. Ikhwan. Then okay, Ayu. And Ayu, please read this paragraph. Ayu.
The first paragraph.
Yeah. This paragraph, grant of permissions. Yeah.
Grant of permission
Yes.
for respite use in emergency situation in public interest as a abundant precaution in clinical trial model, special in the context of infection the mutant strains. The government cited the expert recommendation for Covaxin, referring to the new strain on the first detected in Britain.
Britain. Okay. Yes.
Britain.
I'm sorry,
Britain.
my pronunciation is bad.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. Uh, yeah, we also learn together in this class. Ayu.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yes, this is the grant of permission for restricted. Yeah, restriction is a regulation. In Indonesian is a pembatasan. Yeah, restriction. Yeah, pembatasan. Yeah, use in emergency situation in public interest as an abundant precautions. Yeah,
What's that?
I'm sorry.
What's abundance, sir? Abundant.
Abundant. Abundant. It's refuse like that. Refuse. Abundant. Yeah, refusal.
Abundant.
Yes.
Precautions.
Yes, some like refusal. Yes, abundance. Okay, actually, Mr. Fadli has the problem with the connections. Okay, and clinical trial mode. Yeah, MOT is the MOT system, like that, the system clinical trial. Yeah, especially in the context of infection by mutant strains. Yeah, strain is the contents, like that. The government cheated the experts' recommendation for co-vaccines. Okay, so this is, yeah, referring to the new strain of the virus first detected in Britain. Yeah, strain is wave, Mr. Ikhwan, wave, gelombang. Yeah, strain is a
Yeah,
gelombang. Yeah, this is strain. The meaning
strain.
is, yes, gelombang.
Maybe, yeah, maybe it's similar with variant, yeah. Variant.
Yes, variants. Yes, strains also same like that. Yeah, variants of virus first detected in Britain. Yeah,
Yes, that's right.
yeah, because in Britain now still lockdown. Yeah, in England, yeah, still lockdown, Mr. Ikhwan, in England.
Yeah,
Yeah,
England.
yeah, because England has the biggest number of COVID-19 infection. Yeah, so in some areas in London until now, in England especially, still locked down. Yeah, till now.
Still lockdown.
Yeah, because has the new variants of virus, yeah, detected in Britain. Okay, so I think Mr. Ikhwan already got the news about this. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
in.
yeah.
Yeah,
I saw in the television news television.
you saw from the televisions. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Or this is yeah, abundant. You can write down, Mr. Ikhwan. Abundance, some like something that's lots, like that. Yeah, abundance, a lot, the meaning.
Lots,
Yeah,
lots,
but lots or many. Yeah,
many,
abundance.
many,
Yeah, abundant is a many.
many. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, in Indonesian is berlimpah. Yeah, berlimpah. Yeah, or so many, like that. Yeah, abundance. That's the meaning is so many. Okay,
So many.
precautions. Yeah, caution is kewaspadaan. Yeah,
Yes, waspada.
precaution, the meaning is sebelum. Ya, artinya kewaspadaan di awal. Yeah, the first cautions. Okay, the meaning is precaution. Okay, so emergency situation in public interest as an abundant precautions. Yeah, so they must be take care. Yeah, must be take care about this. Yeah, especially in the context of infection by mutant strains. Yeah, by variants. Yeah, of the infections, the virus infections. Yeah, because the government cheated the expert recommend for Covaxin, yeah, referring to the new strain of the virus first detected in Britain. Yeah, because in Britain has the new variants, yeah, of the virus. Okay, okay, that's good, Mr. Ikhwan. Okay, so I will continue, yeah, little bit continue about this. Yeah, for the AstraZeneca, yeah, AstraZeneca from England, Mr. Ikhwan,
Oxford. Yeah.
yeah, Oxford vaccine, the approval was subject to multiple regulatory conditions. It said without giving details. Okay, actually, do you understand about this, Mr. Ikhwan? Yeah, this is.
For the AstraZeneca vaccine, the approval was subject to multiple regulatory conditions.
Hmm.
Maybe to use the AstraZeneca is need many regulation. Yeah.
Yes, many regulations.
It have, yeah,
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 to approval that the vaccine.
the approval, that's vaccine. Yes, excellent. Yeah, so has some regulations. Yeah, for
Some, yeah,
AstraZeneca.
some
Yes.
regulation. Yes.
Okay, so that's good. Okay, so Mr. Ikhwan, please read little bit about this paragraph. Please read.
The regulator is likely to improve administering 2 doses for both vaccine, each 4 weeks apart. Two sources with knowledge of the matter told Reuters on Saturday. Called to CDSCO were announced outside regular business hours.
Yes. Okay. So this is the regulator is likely to approve administering 2 doses. Yeah, regulator is the regulations. Yeah, is likely to approve administering 2 doses for both vaccines. Yeah,
Yes.
AstraZeneca and Covaxins. Yeah, it's 4 weeks apart. Yeah, two sources with knowledge of the matter told Reuters on Saturday. Okay, so this is reported to Reuters News, yeah, on Saturday. Yeah, so it was yesterday. Calls to CDSCO, yeah, were answered outside regulator business hour. Yeah, so still, yeah, waiting the answer. So haven't got the answer yet. Okay, so I will read. Then after that we can take the conclusions, yeah, about this. So, Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar told reporters earlier that 2 other vaccines were waiting to be approved. Okay, yes, this is and Russia Sputnik V that are both on trial in India. Okay, so from this, actually we can get the conclusion, Mr. Ikhwan and Ayu.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, India still trial as well about the vaccine. Actually, still being trials. Yeah, for the vaccines. Yeah, actually the human trials. Yeah, and we can see from this paragraph. Yeah, this is 2 other vaccine were waiting to be approved. Yeah, still has 2 other vaccine waiting to approve, and this is from Russia as well. The vaccine from Russia, Sputnik V, and that's are both on trial in India. Yeah, so still doing human trials, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah,
Yeah. That's right.
about this vaccine. Okay, so from this, I will ask about your conclusion, Mr. Ikhwan, for this news actually. So, what is the conclusion actually for this news, Mr. Ikhwan, about the vaccination in India?
Yes. I think the recommendation to give vaccination to the most people in India is an is going is on process ongoing, yeah, on process or ongoing recommended.
Yes.
It's need some regulation and this apa decision from the CDSO
Okay.
chief,
Okay.
and then is the waiting for the two vaccine on trial, clinical trial from Russia.
Okay. Yes, that was the conclusion. Okay, that's good, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, so this is trials, under the trials. Yeah, we can see this. Yeah, this is COVID-19 vaccine center. Yeah, this is for the vaccinations. Yeah, but actually the vaccines, some of them still being trials. Yeah, to the humans.
Yes,
Yeah, to the
that's right.
humans trials. Yeah, okay, we can see for from this picture actually. And that was good, Mr. Ikhwan. Thank you. That was excellent. And Ayu, actually, hello Ayu. Ayu, sorry. Ayu Ardila. Can you please open your speaker?
Hello,
Yes.
hello.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Ayu Ardila, actually, that was the conclusions for from Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah,
yeah.
that's the vaccine still trials in India. Yeah, still
I
being trial.
I think yeah. I think the vaccine is not difficult to make it, yeah, because the vaccine, the ingredients is so hard, then it is so expensive if
Okay,
we,
okay,
yeah.
okay. Thank
Uh-huh.
you. Are you? Yes. So that
Yeah,
was the
thank you.
conclusions. Yeah. So I think this enough, Mr. Ikhwan and Ayu. So we
Yes,
can continue by
Yeah.
tomorrow evening for the class. Yeah.
thank you.